Welcome to Redline Review. According to information gathered, the Bavarian automaker has not yet unveiled a 2026 motorhome camper. Future cars are shown in concept designs or AI-generated pictures. Online, the terms BMW Motorhome and BMW XC camper are commonly used to describe these designs. Conceptual and unofficial information about these alleged designs usually includes only short trips, 600 miles total, 40 miles electric, with electric vehicles. Connect hybrid drivetrains, like a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with a 375 horsepower electric motor. Luxurious camper interiors include foldable beds, solar panels, auxiliary batteries, leather chairs, induction cooktops, and compact restrooms. There is enough for 2 adults in the rooftop tent. Prices range from $90,000 to $180,000, depending on the dimensions and requirements. Actual and insignificant items, status information. No public release. There has been no official announcement on BMW's camper and motorhome's entry. Artificial intelligence-generated photos, AI-generated videos, and images, as well as concept art, are widely available online. The textiles are not touchable, despite their eye-catching designs. Rumors, not official pronouncements, are the source of the 375 horsepower, 40-mile electric car range, and 600-mile hybrid range. Design intrigues Reddit users, which helps explain the concept's appeal. The BMW real models are creating excitement, memes, and conversation. Why observing is definitely possible. BMW is expanding its range of electric vehicles with the Neue Klasse, technological developments in electric vehicles, and production ramp-ups in 2026. BMW would need to form new partnerships, develop new production methods, and make major strategic changes, none of which have been disclosed to the public in order to enter the motorhome market. In summary, BMW motorhomes are popular because of their optimistic imaginations, computer visuals, and amusing premise. It's an unrealistic obsession. According to early 2025 speculation, BMW might launch a high-end hybrid electric camper in 2026. This would help the auto sector. Look for high-end concept campers at boutique coach builders or car exhibitions. Some designers may use BMW chassis to make one-of-a-kind trailers. What do you think of a specific company's 2026 BMW motorhome? Only a desired thought exists today.